Aloha! We are doing equations with variables on both sides. What do you do when you have letters on both sides? For example, if you have 3u minus 1 equals minus 6u plus, let's say, 17, just to make up on the spot, what do you do when you have letters on both sides? Well, Happy Buddha Math says that you get rid of the smaller variable. So the one with the smaller one is the minus 6u. Now just to recap, by the way, minus 6 is less than 3. So negative is always less than the positive. So what do? You get rid of the smaller variable. So in this case, you get rid of the minus 6u. How? You do the inverse, which is plus 6u to both sides. Plus 6u to both sides. So on the left, you have 9u minus 1. The minus 6u and 6u disappears, you end up with 17. And then it becomes two-step equations, and then the inverse of minus is plus, so you do plus, and you end up with 9u equals 18, and then you divide it by 9 to get to 2 is your final answer. So that's one example. The second example, for example, you have 4 minus 8u is equal to, let's say, minus 5u, let's say. And let's say we're going to have that as 16, let's say. Yeah? Just to make it up on the spot. Now, in this case, on the left you have minus 8u, on the right you have minus 5u. You look at the letters only, don't worry about the numbers. Which letter is smaller? Well, the minus 8 is less than minus 5, so you get rid of the actual minus 8u. How do you do that? Well, on minus 8u, the inverse is plus, so plus 8u. Plus 8u, so you end up with 4 on the left, on the right you have 16, and then you plus 3u. Minus 5u plus 8u is plus 3u, like terms. Then you get rid of the 16, because there's an invisible plus here, so minus 16 on both sides, minus 16 on both sides, you end up with minus 12, because 4 minus 16 is minus 12. On the right you get 3u, and then inverse of 3u is divided by 3, and you end up with minus 4 equals u, and that is your answer. So that's how you do the equations with variables on both sides. You get rid of the smaller one. So another example. Example 3. 5u minus 6 is equal to, let's say, 2u minus 12. Make it on the spot. So you have, this is the easy one, you have 5u on the left, 2u on the right. Of course 5 is bigger than 2. You get rid of the smaller ones, you get rid of the 2u. How? Well, there's a plus 2u here. The opposite of it is minus, so you go minus 2u, minus 2u. So on the left, 5u minus 2u is 3u, minus 6 equals minus 12. Then the inverse of minus 6 is plus 6, so you plus 6 on both sides, you end up with 3u equals minus 6. You divide by 3 next, is the inverse operation of 3u, and then you end up with u equals minus 2. Over and out.